Half Lotus Twist. Start sitting with your legs stretched out in front of you. Bend the left knee while folding the leg backward, bringing your left heel to the outside of your left hip and placing the top of that foot on the floor. Inhale and raise the right foot and bring it to the upper part of the left thigh, close to the left hip joint. While doing this, place the right knee on the floor, pressing it downwards. Inhale. Exhale and turn the torso towards the right, twisting from the navel. And hold on to your right big toe or your ankle with the right hand from behind while placing the left hand on the right thigh. Gaze over your right shoulder. Remain in this twist, giving a deep stretch to the shoulders and the hips, while also flexing the right ankle for about 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and repeat with the other side, taking the left foot over the right hip joint and turning towards the left with the torso.